Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today in our channel, I'm going to draw pinky cloud art and follow me till the end of this video. It's an easy and a beautiful art which you can try at your home, and I hope that you would like this video. Then guys, without forgetting, please like and share this video. Then for more videos, you can subscribe our channel, friends. And it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.